The Egyptian pyramids are amazing. They stand tall in the desert. They have been there for thousands of years. They are a reminder of a great civilization. These incredible structures are tombs for pharaohs. Pharaohs were the kings of ancient Egypt. The pyramids were built to protect the pharaohs in the afterlife. They were filled with treasures and riches.
The most famous pyramids are at Giza. There are three main pyramids there. They are the Great Pyramid of Giza, the Pyramid of Khafra, and the Pyramid of Menkaure. These pyramids are truly awe-inspiring. The pyramids are a mystery. How did the ancient Egyptians build them? They didn't have modern tools or technology. It is a question that has puzzled people for centuries. Let's explore the mysteries of these ancient wonders.
The pyramids are huge. They are made of millions of stone blocks. Some of these blocks weigh as much as a school bus. Imagine moving those. The pyramids are also very precise. The sides are almost perfectly aligned with the cardinal directions. The corners are nearly perfect right angles. This precision is incredible, especially for their time.
Inside the pyramids are secret chambers and passageways. These were designed to protect the pharaoh's soul. They were also meant to confuse grave robbers. The pyramids are more than just tombs. They are symbols of power, wealth, and religious belief. They tell us a lot about ancient Egyptian society. They show us their advanced knowledge of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering. For centuries, people have wondered how the pyramids were built. It seemed impossible for people to have built them without help from something else. The answer, however, lies in human ingenuity, not alien intervention.
The ancient Egyptians were clever engineers. They used simple tools and techniques to move and lift the heavy stone blocks. They didn't have cranes or bulldozers. They used their brains and their muscles.
One theory is that they used ramps to move the blocks. These ramps were made of sand and rubble. They got steeper as the pyramid got taller. Workers would pull the blocks up the ramps on sleds.
Another theory is that they used a system of levers and rollers. This would have made it easier to lift and maneuver the heavy stones. They may have even used water to help lubricate the movement of the blocks. The ancient Egyptians didn't have iron or steel tools. They used tools made of copper and stone. These tools were surprisingly effective.
They used copper chisels and saws to shape the stone blocks. They used stone hammers to pound the blocks into place. They also used wooden mallets and wedges to split the stones.
To make the surfaces of the pyramid smooth, they used a process called polishing. They would rub the stone with sand and water until it was shiny.
The construction of the pyramids was a massive undertaking that required careful planning, precise measurements, and skilled craftsmanship. The ancient Egyptians were up to the task. They created some of the most impressive structures in human history. Section 5, the labor of a nation, manpower and organization. This section delves into the incredible human effort and organizational skills that were required to build the monumental pyramids of ancient Egypt. Building the pyramids required a lot of people. It wasn't just a handful of workers. It was a massive undertaking involving thousands of individuals. It was a team effort. Every person had a role to play, and their combined efforts made the construction possible.
Thousands of workers were needed to quarry the stones, transport them to the construction site, and assemble the pyramids. This required not only physical strength, but also precise coordination. Contrary to popular belief, the pyramids were not built by slaves. This is a common misconception that has been debunked by historians and archaeologists. They were built by skilled laborers who were paid for their work. These workers were highly valued for their expertise and dedication.
These workers took pride in their work. They were aware that they were contributing to something that would stand the test of time. They knew they were building something extraordinary. Their enthusiasm and determination were evident in the quality of their work. The workers were organized into teams. This organization was crucial for the efficiency and success of the project. Each team had a specific job to do. Some were responsible for quarrying the stones, while others focused on transporting them. Some teams quarried the stones, others transported them. This division of labor ensured that each task was performed by specialists. Still others were responsible for placing the stones in the pyramid. This required precision and skill to ensure the stability and alignment of the structure.
The construction of the pyramids was a massive logistical operation. It was one of the most ambitious projects of the ancient world. It required careful planning and coordination. The architectural plans were meticulously designed to ensure the success of the project. The pharaoh's government would have been responsible for organizing the workforce, providing food and shelter for the workers, and ensuring that the project stayed on schedule. This level of organization and support was essential for the completion of such a monumental task. Section 6, the celestial connection, pyramids and the stars. The ancient Egyptians were fascinated by the stars. They spent countless nights observing the celestial bodies, mapping their movements and integrating their findings into their daily lives. They believed that the stars held the key to understanding life and death. The stars were seen as divine guides, leading souls to the afterlife.
They built the pyramids to align with certain stars. This alignment was not random, but a deliberate act to connect their monumental structures with the cosmos. For example, the 3 pyramids at Giza are aligned with the 3 stars in Orion's belt. This precise alignment showcases their advanced understanding of astronomy. Orion was an important constellation to the ancient Egyptians. It was more than just a group of stars. It was a symbol of their beliefs and mythology. They associated it with Osiris, the god of the underworld. Osiris was a central figure in their religion, representing death, resurrection, and the afterlife.
The pyramids were also used as observatories. These structures allowed them to study the stars and gather astronomical data. The ancient Egyptians could track the movements of the stars from inside the pyramids. This ability was crucial for their agricultural and religious practices. This helped them develop their calendar and predict astronomical events. Their calendar was essential for planning agricultural activities and religious festivals.
The celestial connection of the pyramids adds to their mystique. It reveals the depth of their knowledge and their desire to connect with the universe. It shows us that the ancient Egyptians were not just skilled builders, but also keen astronomers. Their dual expertise in construction and astronomy is truly remarkable. They saw a connection between the heavens and the earth. This belief influenced their architecture, religion, and daily life. They incorporated this connection into their most important monuments. The pyramids stand as a testament to their sophisticated understanding of the cosmos.
Section 7. Alien architects exploring extraterrestrial theories. Some people believe that aliens helped build the pyramids. They say that the ancient Egyptians couldn't have built them on their own. They point to the pyramids' size, precision, and astronomical alignments as evidence.
One theory is that aliens visited Earth thousands of years ago. They shared their advanced technology with the Egyptians. This technology allowed the Egyptians to build the pyramids. Another theory is that the pyramids are landing pads for alien spacecraft. The shape of the pyramids would have made it easy for spacecraft to land and take off.
While these theories are intriguing, there is no scientific evidence to support them. There's no proof that aliens ever visited Earth. There is no trace of alien technology at the pyramid sites. Section 8. Debunking the myths, evidence-based explanations. Scientists and archaeologists have studied the pyramids for centuries. They have found plenty of evidence to explain how they were built. They have uncovered the tools, the techniques, and the organizational structures that made it all possible.
The evidence clearly shows that the pyramids were built by humans. There is no need to invoke aliens or otherworldly beings. The ancient Egyptians were more than capable of building these magnificent structures on their own. The alien theories are often based on speculation and pseudoscience. They ignore the wealth of evidence that points to a human explanation.
It's important to approach these claims with a critical eye. We should rely on evidence-based explanations rather than jumping to conclusions. The pyramids are a testament to human ingenuity, not alien intervention. Section 9. Enduring mysteries and unsolved puzzles. While we have learned a lot about the pyramids, there are still some mysteries that remain. For example, we don't know exactly how the ancient Egyptians moved the heaviest stone blocks. Some of these blocks weigh over 80 tons.
We also don't know the exact purpose of all the chambers and passageways inside the pyramids. Some of them may have been used for religious ceremonies. Others may have been symbolic representations of the afterlife. Despite these enduring mysteries, the pyramids continue to fascinate us. They are a reminder of the ingenuity and creativity of our ancestors.
The pyramids are a challenge to our modern sensibilities. They make us question what we think we know about the past. They inspire us to learn more about the ancient world and the people who inhabited it. Section 10. A testament to human ingenuity and the allure of the unknown. The Egyptian pyramids are more than just ancient tombs. They are monumental structures that have stood the test of time, captivating the imagination of countless generations. They are enduring symbols of human achievement, representing the incredible feats our ancestors were capable of. They represent the pinnacle of ancient engineering and architectural prowess, showcasing the advanced knowledge and skills of the ancient Egyptians.
They stand as a testament to the power of human collaboration, innovation, and determination. The construction of these colossal structures required a unified effort and a shared vision. They remind us that humans are capable of achieving incredible things when we work together towards a common goal, overcoming obstacles and pushing the boundaries of what is possible. While the alien theories surrounding the pyramids are intriguing and add an element of mystery, they ultimately distract from the true marvel of these structures, the ingenuity of the human mind and the boundless capabilities of our species. The pyramids are a testament to the brilliance of human innovation, reflecting the sophisticated understanding of mathematics, astronomy, and engineering that the ancient Egyptians possessed.
The pyramids continue to beckon us to unravel their secrets, inviting us to explore the depths of history and uncover the stories of those who built them. They urge us to delve deeper into the mysteries of the past, to seek knowledge and understanding of ancient civilizations, and to marvel at the accomplishments of those who came before us, whose legacy continues to inspire and awe us to this day. They are a timeless reminder of the enduring allure of the unknown and the boundless potential that lies within us all, encouraging us to dream big and reach for the stars.